This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at gold and silver. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have gold, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Well, you know, the daily pretty much says it all here. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, high, lower high, lower high. Boom, man, out the window time, all the way down here to 1830. Now, we're going to see where this thing is actually going here, okay? So what you want to do here is look on the weekly chart, and you want to look here at this 200 SMA. This is going to be very, very key. That's sitting at 1820, okay? So that is going to be very, very key support. Now, it can go lower, but if it can close above there for the week, that'd be a good, okay? So right here, you look at this candle here, this is 1810. That is going to be your very, very next level there, okay? And then what we do is we just keep following these candlesticks all the way down until we come to this candlestick right here, which is basically looking at 1719, and then we have 1667, and you could come all the way down here to 1618. Now, if we look at the RSI here, it's way, oversold territory here. But again, there's really no negative divergence here yet going on here, okay? So this could obviously go lower here. MACD, you're still basically in a downtrend. There's no curling, no nothing here. On MACD here on your weekly chart, that still can go lower. Got plenty to go, room to go lower here on your RSI here on your weekly chart also. Now, if you look at a monthly chart here, well, you want to really look here at this level here. That's 1797.90, okay? So basically here, you look at this 1821st. This is your key support level here, okay? Now, again, if that is lost, then we come right here to this 50 SMA here at 1797. That is going to be a very, very key level here. And so is this candle right here, because this is the one that held. So we want to look at this 1810, which is right below there, okay? So always look at your SMAs here, your 821, 50, 100, and 208. Those are your key support levels. Your candlesticks are just basically your support levels here. So we got to see if it holds. If it doesn't, it can go way, way down here. Now, again, what this really needs to do here is if you can, this could be the bottom right there. You got a spike low here. It's basically today you have like an inside day, okay? So if it can rally up here, then you're looking at that 1876 here, and then maybe up to 1917. But if you look at all these SMAs here, look at that. Everything just curling right down, everything breaking below the 200. This is not good right here at all. So if it holds that 200 day here, okay, that would be good for gold. Hold this candle here and hold this 50. If not, you can come all the way down to this big retest here of 1618. So always just watch the key levels here. And here on the upside on the weekly, you want to watch your 200 SMA here at 1862. And then we want to watch here of the 1907 here, which, is your 50 SMA here, but everything else is just rolling over here. Easy way to trade gold is GLD here, if you're interested in the gold. Now, remember, one also more thing is always want to watch the dollar. When the dollar rises, commodities come off here. Okay, we got a little different there with the oil, but eventually you can see what oil's doing. You're down here, $10 here on crude oil here also. All right, let's take a look here at the old silver. Okay, silver, same thing. We double topped right here. See this? See, it's a little bit better than gold, but you double topped right there and then sold right on off here. Always watch those double tops here, because if it can't close above here, that sure tells you that you got to short it down. Now look at all these SMAs. Everything just rolling right over. So you got as low as 2085. But again, now if you look at here on the weekly, boom, you're right below all your 200, everything, okay? So the next candle that you're looking for is this bad boy right here, okay? This is the candle you're looking for, okay? That is at 1994, okay? So you're not that far off here. But again, if that is lost, then we come to this candle right here. You're looking at 1880, and then we have 1815. On this candle here, you got 1789. Then we have your big retest here at 1740. That is your downside. The upside, you really need to reclaim this 200-day sitting at 2268. then you got a shot at trying to rally back up here. But right now, this is ugly times 10. Now, your RSI, that looks like that's basically oversold. Your MACD is oversold, but again, there's no curling here of nothing. It's still right straight down. On your weekly RSI, you got room to run on the downside. MACD, room to run on the downside. So very, very, very hard to say I'm going to step in and say I'm going to buy this here unless you can find some kind of a support level. Now, we can look here on the weekly chart here, our monthly chart here, and this is what we got here. Okay, 2039. That's going to be very, very key support. If that is lost here, then you're looking at that 1928 here, which lines up pretty much here with this candle here. Well, this one here is, 1994. And then we'd have your 1928 here on your 100-day. And then you could come down here, retest this 1740. Now, again, if this 1740, this is lost, look where you could go, all the way down to 1164 here. Now, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen here, but that's a good possibility. So what you want to do is watch this key 200 because that's going to be very, very key support on a monthly basis. That's the key. On a monthly basis, 2039 needs to close for the month. And then watch these key levels here of support and just take your candles all the way down if it sells down to 1740. On the upside, watch this right here, 2268. You need to climb back above here. Okay, so now let's see what the 200 is on here, 2356. If you can get above here, then that would be your target there, would be your 2356, and then you can go 2405, which is that candle right there, and then you could have a retest. But right now, this is just looking ugly. I don't see any reason to own gold or silver. Now, you can trade this on here with the SLV here. That's an easy way to get in and out here if you into it. Now, again, that all being said here, how bearish this looks here. Realistically here, over time, gold and silver here will probably go higher here over time. It's just that the key is just waiting for the bottom. Okay, wait to get a higher low, a red dog, something that tells you that the selling is done. And always watch the dollar. All right, thanks for watching.